Silent marriages, no divorce, no conversations. As time passes in a relationship, many couples stop talking, causing their bond to weaken. People often believe that lasting love is rare, but it usually fades due to the lack of communication. Without talking, couples become like strangers under one roof, only dividing tasks to keep things running. Many relationships end up like this, with partners distracted by their own devices and avoiding real conversations. Some say fewer conversations are worse than arguments. At least arguments show emotion, but without talking, partners slowly drift apart. I once heard a colleague say that her marriage with her husband, Mr. Lee, felt empty. Their conversations had become simple exchanges, take out the trash, or what's for dinner. No deeper connection remained. Many believe that this loss of feeling means the end of a relationship, forgetting that how we treat each other matters. True love isn't just felt, it needs to be shared through words. Without regular interaction, distance grows between people. I read about a couple who had been married for 10 years. Every evening, they set aside an hour to chat about their day. This simple habit kept their connection alive. These small conversations about everyday life build a bridge between them, keeping their bond strong. When relationships begin, couples often want to share every little detail. These conversations build trust and understanding. But over time, life wears this down, and if ignored, the bond weakens. Two people who were once close can become distant, even when they live together. I admire my friend Yingzi and her husband. Every night after dinner, they find something to talk about, no matter how small. Sometimes, they watch a movie or go shopping together. Yingzi believes that as long as couples are still talking, their love will remain strong. It's not about how much time you spend together, but how you use that time. Most people don't realize how important these moments of communication are. As time passes, many stop valuing them, which can cause long-term damage. Without communication, there's no understanding. We choose to be with someone for the comfort and support they provide. But without sharing our thoughts and feelings, what's the point? I agree with the quote. Having something to talk about is the foundation of any relationship. Relationships thrive on communication, which helps clear misunderstandings and keeps us feeling important to each other. Make time to talk to your partner, whether it's small talk or deeper conversations. In the end, talking is the key to keeping love alive.